Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Debank for wallet analytics and balances easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Debank website by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the next page. You will see multiple options for logging in. Choose the wallet type you want to use for the login process. If you have a MetaMask wallet, click on the MetaMask option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your connection with Debank. Approve the connection in your MetaMask wallet. If you are using a different wallet, select that option and follow the prompts accordingly. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be directed to your wallet dashboard. Here, you can view your wallet analytics, including balances and transaction history. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore various features available for better insights into your wallet performance. For specific tokens or assets, navigate through the sections provided on the dashboard. If you wish to log out, click on your profile icon and select the logout option. Logging out ensures your account remains secure, especially on shared devices. That's it, you are now set to analyze your wallet using Debank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.